In the past, we looked at a lot of things that were executed as soon as you instantiated. But objD also has timing and scheduling features that we'll look at in the next couple episodes. But for today, let's see how we can use Minecraft schedule and objD's extra implementation timeout. The schedule command is generally relatively new in Minecraft. With it, you're able to schedule a function to execute later and give it a delay. In objD, you just specify the schedule widget like that, give it a function name, and the amount of ticks you wish to delay. On top of that, you can also use the special constructor schedule.file that takes in a file instead and registers it automatically with some child. So let's try that in the load file. And if we generate, we can now see our timeout function got registered and we have the timed here. And here as well, the namespace gets automatically added. And in Minecraft, we can now hit reload, and after 5 seconds, we should get the message from our server. And there it is. And timeout is objD's own implementation. This accepts a unique name here, and then as well the delay with ticks. But the difference here is that you can directly define your children that should execute after the delay. And objD will automatically register a new file inside a new folder internally and use the schedule to time it precisely. So let's replace our schedule here with the timeout. And I've set this to 2 seconds, so 40 ticks. And this should now generate a new folder called timers here. And there we have also our timer function here. And in Minecraft, this works pretty similar. So if you want to read more, go to stevetus.com/objD/documentation or watch the objD playlist here.